Hi everyone, welcome back on our series 2 advanced Python tutorial. So on this one we are going to talk about the counter. So a counter is a built-in data structure which is used to count the occurrence of which value present in an array or a list. As we know, arrays in Python we call them lists. So we are going to see that a counter is just used to tell the occurrence of each value present in a list. So let's say for this example, let's write from corrections import counter. So let's create our list and let us give it 1 2 3 4 and say again 1 2 and 6 7, let's say 3 8 and 1, let's say again 2 2. Okay, let's take a variable and say answer equals to counter, and let us cause it as a function, and let's say answer equals to counter, and let us pass our list here. Now if you try to print the answer, let's say print answer and for the value of index 2, as we can see that if we run this, the code tells us that the 2 appears to be 4. Of course it's 4 times. Now, as we said earlier, that the counter tells the occurrence of each value present in an array. So that's how the counter works. So we can check another example on counters. So let's say that we have a and say a equals to, let's create a list here, a string. So let's say a, let's say b, and c. So when you say my counter equals to counter and say a, so if we print my counter, we are going to have a tuple, but it contains a dictionary inside, so it counts the occurrence of a. As you can see that a occurs 5 times and b occurs 4 times and c occurs 3 times. So we may also try to print the most common element. So we just print my counter dot most common, and let's say that, say let's most common by 1. So if we print here, we're going to get here that we have a and occurs 5 times. Then if we change here and put 2, we are going to have b, which occurs 4 times. So that's all about counters. So thank you so much.